Hello friends, you are welcome to our channel English Learning by Gyan. In today's tutorial, we will learn the meaning of need in English and Hindi with example sentences. You can now join us as a member by clicking on the join button. Once you successfully joined us as a member, we will share you tips at a regular basis to improve your spoken English and English grammar, and also this will encourage us to run this channel. Meaning of need in English is a thing that is wanted or required, or something that you must or should have.
नीड का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है जरूरत या आवश्यकता.
Example sentences: She was in need of medical attention.
उसे चिकित्सकीय ध्यान देने की आवश्यकता थी.
Do you need money?
क्या आपको पैसे की जरूरत है?
I need to be alone.
मुझे एकांत चाहिए.
They are badly in need of help.
उन्हें मदद की सख्त जरूरत है.